How to use. Our self-centering drill bits come in 3 sizes: 1/8, 7/64, and 3/32, allowing you to choose the right size for different applications. First, choose the correct self-centering drill bit size based on the hole size of the item you need to drill. If the size is too large or too small, the hole may shift off-center. Before drilling, make sure the bit starts rotating clockwise. Because the hole is centered, the screw will go in straighter and seat in the right position. After the self-centering drill bit is aligned with the drilling position, the center drill bit automatically stays centered for more accurate drilling. Each self-centering drill bit is pre-adjusted before shipping. It's ready to use right out of the box, with no extra adjustment needed. Note, the following clips are for internal structure display only. Please do not disassemble the self-centering drill bit unless necessary. After opening the self-centering drill bit, you can see the inner drill bit is set vertically. Do not bend or move it back and forth, as this may affect centering accuracy. If the inner drill bit becomes loose during use, make sure it is installed straight and vertically. Do not install it at an angle, or it may affect drilling accuracy. Once the drill bit is properly aligned vertically, simply tighten it with a wrench. With proper installation, the bit starts straight and centered. If the bit is not installed straight, misalignment may prevent proper drilling. One more note, before opening the self-centering drill bit, do not use a wrench on the inner bit. This may cause the bit to come loose or fall out, affecting normal use. Next, we'll show the 1/4 hex bit holder keychain for drill. Push the black sleeve to insert or remove the bit easily. This bit holder fits standard 1/4 hex bits, making it easy to carry bits with you. Push the black sleeve out, insert the self-centering drill bit, then release to lock it in. If you need to use the self-centering drill bit, push the black sleeve to release it, then pull it out. Next, the locking carabiner keychain for belt or tool belt use. Twist the threaded sleeve up to lock the carabiner closed. This keeps the carabiner securely closed during use. That wraps up the important notes. Feel free to pause or screenshot this page.